Hello, well, I'm Nick Patrick. Today, welcome to Nick Rent. Today, I rented about Wine Grinder. Wine Grinder? More like Dork Grinder, get it? Ha No? Okay. Wine Grinder. The animation look weird, look dumb, it's bad, the plot is dumb, I like it a bit, they're doing awesome skateboard, but they're dumb. Even the dog can skateboard. What is he, Snoopy? Or Scooby-Doo? Or Pluto? Mickey Mouse dog? What kind of idea was that, stupid dog? Yeah, even blind that the plot is dumb. This is the worst Nickelodeon shows, I don't know. Ugh. And next I will do Satan Little Helper. Oh God, your face look weird. You want to better than watching? I go watch Kick Butt the Cow Seat. It's way better than Wild Gwiner. It's cool. Trust me, he do all the stunt. Well, I can't find any movie that could with skateboard. I would go with Cars because skateboard have wheel and Cars have wheel, but Pixar Car is better. Yep, car time. If you don't like this or you like this well, this is Nick Fitzpatrick. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.